Hello everybody, welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into the Bank of America auto loan. So basically, if you guys have a normal online banking account in Bank of America, you can access the auto loan section because after signing into your online banking account, there's going to be an auto loan section. From there, you can use the auto loan section. So basically, logging into the normal online banking means you guys are logging into the auto loan. All right, with that said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step and follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First, search for Bank of America auto loan login and click on this link over here. And once you're in this page, click on sign into online banking. Now, once you click on sign into online banking, it's going to take you to a sign in page. Once you're over here, enter your user ID and then enter the password of your account over here like this. And after enter the password, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. From there, access the auto loan section. All right. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel and bye bye everybody.